Welcome to the Question of the Week Solution Shortcut for this week's September 26th, 2021. My name is Matthew, and I will be your learning guide for this week's question. Which of the following are the asymptotes, x-intercepts, and y-intercepts of the graph above? Reviewing this question one more time, which of the following are the asymptotes, the x-intercepts, and the y-intercepts of the graph above? Notice that this is a which of the following type question, which are very common in the SAT and ACT college entrance exams. These indicate that the multiple choice options must be considered first. Therefore, the solution shortcut is to understand what it means when the call to action is which of the following, and then immediately review the multiple choice answers. When reviewing the multiple choice, look first for what is similar and what is different between them. Since the call to action specifically calls out the need to determine the asymptotes, x-intercepts, and y-intercepts, the multiple choice answers are just the organization of the information. Let's determine the characteristics of the graph in the most orderly manner possible, starting with the asymptotes. The graph is very helpful in determining this information. Notice that there is a dotted line cutting through the x-axis at x equals -3. Notice that the asymptote is always written as an equation. X equals -3 is the equation of the vertical asymptote. Similarly, we can see that there's a dotted horizontal line cutting through the y-axis at y equals -1. Again, the equation of the asymptote is always written in this way, either x equals or y equals. The x-intercept is the place where the graph touches or moves across the x-axis. This is not always the easiest to see, but appears to be correct at the point x equals 4. However, x-intercepts and y-intercepts are always written as an ordered pair. Therefore, the x-intercept is at 4, 0. The y-intercept does not fall perfectly on a grid point. This means it's a little bit more difficult to determine. We can see that it's somewhere near 1. It's below 2, but probably above 1. We probably have enough information to proceed. It wouldn't be wise at this point to try to determine the actual equation, as this would take too much time overall. Let's compare the information that we found with the multiple choice answers, starting with the vertical asymptote of x equals -3. Notice that options A and C include this information. This means that B and D are out. Next, using the fact that the vertical asymptote is at y equals -1, we can conclude that answer A is the correct choice. Notice that A also has the correct x-intercept of 4, 0 and a y-intercept of 0, 4/3, which is about where we thought it would be. Thanks for watching this week's Question of the Week Solution Shortcut. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see next week's Solution Shortcut. Leave a comment below and check out more free content at tutoringbymatthew.com.